Deep learning and machine learning are currently the predominant methodologies used for AI. They involve feeding a computer with large quantities of data. The computer then understands and analyzes this data and can draw conclusions from it. Deep learning has proven very useful in situations where ample data is available and particularly where the number of variations in the data set are limited. It can analyze hundreds or even thousands of features and characteristics of an object and automatically extract the ones that are sufficiently common to define it. Unfortunately, in many real-life situations, the amount of data available is often very limited. Consider a piece of modern industrial equipment like a motor or a conveyor belt. It may only break down at very rare intervals, perhaps every 5 years. It would be very difficult to collect sufficient images of the condition of the equipment just before it broke down to train the system. It would take many years before such an exercise could be completed. This is also true for many behaviors. If one wishes to preempt suicides in prisons, how can one get 50,000 people to commit suicide in the variety of ways that are possible to create the data sets necessary for training the computer? This is where Omniscient's unique AI methodology comes to the fore. Humans do not just use their memory to understand their environment. They are also very adept at using logical thinking for this. Humans are excellent at intuitively understanding the key features and characteristics of an object or situation. A small amount of guidance from a human on which features are important can significantly reduce the amount of data that the computer system requires for training itself from 50,000 sets of data down to perhaps 5 or 10. The Omniscient system is also able to augment the limited data that is available meaningfully, so that it can predict the variations that could occur in a real-life situation. Generating the labeled datasets and training a deep learning-based system can be a very expensive and sometimes never-ending exercise. Minimizing the quantity of training data required reduces the labeling and training costs, and significantly reduces the computing required for this exercise, thus eliminating the requirement for GPUs. Elimination of GPUs can be an important factor in reducing the cost of AI systems, as GPUs are extremely expensive as well as being notoriously power-hungry. This internationally patented ability to build artificial intelligence systems with minimal datasets, without deep learning and without the need for GPUs is brought to you exclusively through the Intel Omniscient partnership. All Omniscient products run exclusively on Intel-based computing hardware using OpenVINO. IoT is unlocking greater business value by handling routine tasks so that employees can focus on higher-level thinking activities. With robust industrial solutions based on Intel technology from Omniscient, challenges faced by commercial and industrial organizations become opportunities for innovation.